Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric spin scrubbers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to save time on cleaning or want a powerful tool to handle tough stains, we've got you covered. Check out the product links in the description below and let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Dratsu Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber is a versatile cleaning tool that boasts a robust motor with 2 adjustable speeds. 350 RPM for everyday cleaning and 450 RPM for tackling stubborn stains. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, it ensures 60 to 90 minutes of cleaning time per charge, making it perfect for medium to large cleaning tasks. Plus, the LED battery display keeps you informed about energy levels to avoid interruptions during use. Its IPX7 waterproof rating means you can use it in damp environments without worrying about water damage, and its sealed structure ensures long-term durability. The Dratsu Spin Scrubber comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads, catering to various surfaces such as bathtubs, sinks, tiles, and car interiors. The retractable handle adjusts between 41 and 48 inches, making it ideal for reaching high areas like ceilings or tight corners without bending or straining your back. This ergonomic design, paired with lightweight construction, makes cleaning less of a hassle. However, while the scrubber is highly efficient, its runtime is slightly shorter than some competitors, which may be a concern for larger cleaning projects. Overall, the Dratsu scrubber delivers great performance and versatility, but it's best suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a durable, ergonomic option with a good selection of brush heads, this one's a solid pick. Pros include its lightweight design and waterproof features, while its slightly shorter runtime and fewer accessories compared to higher-ranked models are its drawbacks. Coming in at number 4 is the CT Mast Electric Spin Scrubber. This model is designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks with its powerful dual-speed motor that offers 400 RPM for regular cleaning and 450 RPM for deep scrubbing. It features a robust lithium battery capable of delivering up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions for larger projects. The adjustable extension pole, which extends up to 53 inches, is a standout feature, allowing you to clean high or low areas without straining your back or knees. A great option for seniors or anyone with mobility challenges. The scrubber includes 3 interchangeable brush heads suited for diverse surfaces, from tiles to grout and more. Built with durable PP material and an IPX7 waterproof rating, the CT Mast is designed to withstand both tough stains and damp environments. It's ideal for bathroom cleaning tasks, but its versatility also makes it suitable for kitchens, floors, and even vehicles. While the scrubber is durable and easy to use, it doesn't offer as many brush heads or accessories as some higher-ranked models, which might limit its adaptability for certain tasks. CT Mast delivers excellent performance and durability, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty cleaning. Its pros include long battery life, an ergonomic adjustable handle, and waterproof construction, while its fewer brush heads and slightly heavier design may be seen as cons. If you need a dependable scrubber for deep cleaning, this one deserves your attention. At number 3, we have the Puftum Electric Spin Scrubber. This model is all about efficiency, cutting your cleaning time by up to 70%. With 2 speed settings, 380 RPM for regular cleaning and 450 RPM for tackling tougher stains. This scrubber can handle everything from soap scum to dirt with ease. Its IPX7 waterproof rating lets you rinse it under the faucet without concern. And its lightweight, cordless design makes it accessible for users of all ages. The dual-handle system, featuring both a short 9.8-inch handle and an extendable rod ranging from 43 to 52 inches, ensures versatility for a wide range of cleaning tasks. The Puftum scrubber comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, which are soft yet effective for cleaning various surfaces such as tiles, bathtubs, and car tires. It also includes convenient extras like a storage bag and hook for easy organization. The LED battery indicator keeps you informed, although the lack of an included adapter for charging might be a minor inconvenience. With its lightweight build and ergonomic design, this scrubber is perfect for families or anyone who dreads tedious cleaning chores. Puffdom shines for its efficiency and versatility, making it a great gift option. Its pros include a lightweight design, 8 brush heads, and dual-handle functionality, while the absence of an adapter and slightly shorter runtime may be considered cons. If you value convenience and performance, this scrubber is an excellent choice. Taking the runner-up spot is the 2U electric spin scrubber. This model is a powerhouse with a motor that delivers up to 450 RPM, making it incredibly efficient for even the toughest cleaning jobs. Its IPX7 waterproof design ensures durability in wet environments, while the LED battery display allows you to monitor its charge level at a glance. The 2U scrubber features 2 speed settings, 350 RPM for light cleaning and 450 RPM for heavy-duty tasks, making it adaptable for various scenarios. Its fast-charging Type-C port is a convenient addition, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time cleaning. The 2U scrubber comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads, including options for flat surfaces, corners, and gaps, making it a versatile tool for bathrooms, kitchens, and cars. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 26 to 45 inches, providing flexibility for different cleaning angles without bending or kneeling. Lightweight and easy to use, it's a great choice for anyone seeking a powerful yet portable scrubber. The only downside is its slightly limited number of brush heads compared to models like the Puffdom. Overall, the 2U scrubber is an excellent investment for those who prioritize efficiency and durability. Its pros include high RPM performance, an LED battery display, and fast charging, while its fewer brush heads may be a minor drawback. If you want a reliable option for a variety of cleaning tasks, this one is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cordless electric spin scrubber. This model stands out for its comprehensive feature set and exceptional performance, with a motor offering 2 speed options, 300 RPM for light cleaning and 400 RPM for deep scrubbing. It delivers powerful performance for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Its 5,000 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge, making it ideal for tackling larger cleaning projects without interruptions. The cordless design adds convenience, while the 3 adjustable handle sizes, 12 inches, 43 inches, and 54 inches, ensure ergonomic comfort for users of all heights. What sets the Cordless scrubber apart is the inclusion of 8 replaceable brush heads, which cater to diverse cleaning needs, from bathrooms and kitchens to cars and windows. The bristles are soft yet durable, ensuring effective cleaning without scratching surfaces. Its IPX7 waterproof design allows for safe use in damp environments, and the tight protection design prevents internal rust and damage. The lightweight build and thoughtful extras, like a hook for storage, further enhance its usability. The only minor downside is its slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors. Cordless is the ultimate cleaning tool for those who want versatility, power, and durability all in one package. Its pros include long runtime, adjustable handle sizes, and a wide range of brush heads, while its heavier build may be a small drawback. If you're looking for the best electric spin scrubber on the market, this one is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.